IT Pro TV.
We are taking a look at describing QoS Part 2, The Revenge of Anthony Sequeira. And so here we go. Anthony Sequeira, we are in a Part 2 on QoS. We've already talked about latency, jitter, delay a little bit, marking a little bit, but we have more?
We do.
Okay, lay it on us, Anthony.
Yeah. Well, the first thing we need to do is we need to pick up on a point of confusion from the last episode. Corolla, if we could, thank you. Go to my screen here. Look at this. I was all completely thrown off. Ronnie was like, well, how do the bits lay out? And why are you only describing 6 of the 8 bits? That's because there is a typo here. This is not 4 bits. This is 6 bits. So if we are using an IP precedence approach to marking, it's using the first 3 high order bits and it's doing nothing with the 5 other bits. No. In a DSCP world, we'll use all the bits. The first 6 are your DSCP bits, and then the next 2 is for explicit congestion notifications. So there's the explanation on that confusion. And we love, as we said, the DSCP approach, Ronnie. Now, I also wanted to give you my analogy, Ronnie, for classification and marking that we talked about last time. We love classification and marking as that initial step of QoS. And my analogy that's perfect for us here in Florida is theme parks.
Right.
What do you love to get at a theme park if you can afford it? The Fast Pass.
Yes.
You
definitely
are now classified and marked, and you get a special lane, and you don't have to wait 2 hours for Harry Potter and his wonderful wizarding world. Wizarding.
Yeah.
I think I mispronounced it even. Not my thing, but I did have to take my daughter, and I'm too cheap for a Fast Pass. So we were scavenger traffic, and we waited 3 hours for that 10-minute ride on a broomstick or whatever we were doing. Anyways.
You sound bitter.
I'll deal with my issues later. But so classification and marking, just think about that Fast Pass at the theme park.
Great
That's
analogy.
My favorite analogy on
like
that
it.
one. All right, well, let's jump into the current stuff that we have to cover. And that is going to be a continuation on our discussion. And I wanted to start by reviewing a little bit with you the markings that were so important. And to do that, I wanted to impress upon you how wireless is often configured. In Cisco wireless environments,